2. Ferme les yeux. 1.
We're here in St. Martin for Hurricane Irma. It was Category 5 hurricane. Right now it's 6 a.m. so most of it has started going down, but as you can see it's still pretty crazy. Normally right here we should be able to see the ocean. Water is going down, but tides are slowly coming in as well. As you can see, a lot of destruction going on, very high winds. A few hours earlier it was beyond belief. Regarde les vagues, regarde les vagues, regarde les vagues.
Je les vois pas, oh putain!
Attention Marie.
C'est un truc de ouf! C'est la meilleure idée que t'aies eu de rester ici!
T'as vu ça?
C'est un truc de ouf!
Mais là il y a tout qui stack là en fait, t'as vu? So this is a floor we were staying at right here. The first one got severely damaged, everything is gone. Same thing with neighborhood one here. As you can see, all the trees are down. Right here used to be one of the restaurants, the Cacao. It is completely gone. There is nothing left here. So as you can see, most of Orient Bay is just completely destroyed. This is one of the most popular tourist sections on the French side. Well, most definitely was a very high winds, but also the water is coming up very high and bringing in strong currents. Almost nothing survived. This is going to take years to fix. So we are now 4 days after Irma has passed on us. Not really much has been done to really aid people around the area. We keep hearing about the army coming in and supplies coming in as well, but so far the only thing we've gotten was 1 bottle of water. Around here, people are pretty much afraid from people that are breaking in, taking weapons and stealing food, jewelry, even electronics, doesn't matter. We still have no power, no water. The water's supposed to be coming in about 5 months, so there's no way they can keep going on like this. So at night, everything's pretty much barricaded. There's cops doing regular routines around the area, making sure that nobody comes in. And right now we're just waiting for evacuation, I think into Guadalupe, and then we can find ourselves a different route if needed. So far they evacuated only pregnant women, and now we're just waiting. Putain, regarde là.
Ouais, oui, je sais.
Bah, les travaux, c'est plus facile maintenant. Hein.
C'est clair.
Ça, c'est la maison de Jérémy, l'ancien barman. Et Sonia. So as you can see here, the apartment unit right next to mine just started burning. So luckily we were able to get some of the firemen on time here. Try to evacuate as much stuff as possible since it's the only resources we have left. And just pray that it doesn't spread out too much. But as you can see, it's going pretty wild.
Les parents ils pensaient que les centres, ils disent nouvelles, ouais, ils pensent que tout est bien ici.
Ça, on voit les flammes et tout là. Et les flammes. C'est en train de prendre les portes, on va prendre le deuxième appart.
So the small smoke that I found and warned the firefighters off has now become full-on burning this apartment here. My unit is the white one here. It's against the siding of it has already started to burn, but nothing goes inside the apartment for now. It is a solid concrete building, but it's all surrounded by wood. So firefighters are here trying to get the situation under control, but they have very little access in order to get to this area. Right now they're taking water out of a pool, and we just hope that it can contain the situation before it gets any worse, because there's still no actual running water or anything, and most of the equipment has been damaged where it's supposed to suck water out of the pool. So as you can see right now, we have a little chain of people helping out in order to make sure we can try to get it, but the high wind is not helping anything, and the tiles and the roof is just all burning. It's been 2 hours now since the initial fire started. We're still trying to get the main building under control, but the very high wind is just making it spread so much. We've been trying to give them a hand moving the water hoses around, but as you can see, just the wind is making it very tough for them, especially being on the 3rd floor. Without the proper equipment that they usually need, it's very hard. So finally on the 6th day, after the apartment has completely burned down, now that they see that they're having a hard time to get through in case of emergency, they have finally decided to take a bulldozer or whatever machinery to get this path opened up. This should have been done after the 2nd day. This is an area that houses easily more than 1,000 people. And only now do they have a clear passageway for supplies to be coming in or for emergencies to come in case they need to act. So honestly, on the part of the French government, it's shameful that it's taken this long. It's like I said, it's been a week nearly after the Irma has hit, and there has been no real support. Apparently on the news, people are saying that aids are here, you gotta go here, but there's been nothing. 1 bottle of water in a whole week, and we've had to go get it. Pretty much everybody's running out of gas. That's why a few law enforcement are staying by the gas stations for when the fuel tanks arrive, but they're giving them to priorities to medical, police, and firefighters. So I'm an American, and honestly, if I just went to the Dutch side and waved my American passport, I would have been out of here a long time ago. But a lot of people here still need help. A lot of my friends still need help, so it's just a shame that we have to wait so long in order to get this area cleared. Usually in the high season, we get 7 cruise ships that can house at least 5,000 people each that come in. I don't understand how they get any ships or even the military airplanes are coming in. They drop people off to come help, but they don't take anybody up with them. So official news is that maybe starting tomorrow we should be able to start leaving the island. But then again, they've been saying that for the past 4 days, so we're just gonna wait and see how it works out. So it's officially been a week since Hurricane Irma. I'm finally being able to be leaving the island. The U.S. Air Force has brought in some AC-130s in order to evacuate people. Right now we're doing 80 people at a time. We're heading to Puerto Rico, to which I can finally get a flight back to New York. So as you can see, the plane is right here. We have 3 of them all together. Hopefully they can try to evacuate as many people as possible. There's about 200 people here in line waiting. So it feels good to finally be able to go home. So I'm officially in San Juan, Puerto Rico. The Red Cross was nice enough to give us some food and quick washing supplies as soon as we arrived. They offer us some cheaper rates for hotels in order to stay over the night, but I just went straight and booked a ticket for New York. So tonight at midnight I should be finally back on US soil after a weekend, I'll say hellish St. Martin after Hurricane Irma. So I just want to thank the US Air Force for getting us off the island, the Red Cross, and I wish best of luck to all my friends and that stayed behind in St. Martin, and I hope that everything can get back to normal pretty soon, and that they all stay safe. My thoughts and prayers are with them, and thank you everyone for